Hi guys, Ken Chigbo AKA FX Freak back with another week roundup and look ahead. Quickly recapping, last week at the start of it was very much about risk appetite. We saw strength in the euro, AUD, NZD, CAD, all of the riskier currencies. The safe havens, dollar and JPY were weakening, were on the back foot, under pressure. Same with gold. Right, and why was that? Because there was optimism about this vaccine for COVID-19, and also Germany and France showed unity agreeing this rescue fund, okay, which helped optimism. However, at the back end of last week, it was very much a change, okay? We started seeing some strength coming back into the dollar and also JPY. Why did that happen? Because US and China, the tensions remain very much high, guys, very high. With what the latest concern around Hong Kong. China want to implement these security legislation, which US are not happy about. And they said if China does that, then there are going to be consequences, okay? And now, as we know, over the last few weeks, US and China have been going back and forth, a lot of, rhetoric, fiery, which is unsettling the markets. And I think now that's going to really start to pick up pace as we head into the new week, and we could see the dollar further strengthening, gaining ground against the rest of its peers, and perhaps as well some safe haven flows into yen and gold. Elsewhere, keep an eye on some weakness for euro, because that deal that I mentioned, Germany and France, has been rejected by some of the other EU member states. And then also with GBP, the pound, expecting some more selling pressure because of Brexit stalemate, no agreement as of yet, and also markets pricing in potential negative interest rates from the Bank of England. So guys, that's everything fundamentally. Let's go and take a look at the charts. Hey guys, so just taking a look at the charts technically then, I want to start off with euro dollar. I like the downside. Got this somewhat of a triple top area here, 1, 2, 3, or even a head and shoulders. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Price is already exerting to the downside. In terms of further moves south, watch out for a breakout and retest firmly of 109. More so around 108.90, and then we'll be heading all the way down. I'd look for the price to drop to 108, and then just further down all the way towards sort of 106. But initially this week, a realistic target would be below 108, 107.80. With gold, just looking at the daily chart, price action, as you can see, we broke out this bullish pennant here. We're forming this bullish flag structure. Okay, so watch out for a breakout of this via the daily. If we can get a daily closure above around this 40-45 area, then this week I believe we could head towards 1780. Looking for some weakness for GBP dollar. If we go to the 4-hour chart, already giving up ground at that 122 area. Well, there's a lot of resistance around 122.50, as you can see just by looking left of the chart. There's a big zone of resistance. So now for me, we've broken out and retested 4-hour support at 121.80. I'm looking for the price to just free fall down towards 120.80, and then further south we'll be looking at this zone here around 119.50. So just looking out those three things on my watch list: GBP dollar, gold and euro dollar are the most interesting this week for me. Other than that, have a good one.